Have you ever been driving along, minding your own business, and you glance in the back seat and catch your child doing something like this? If so, hi, my name is Emily. I'm a child passenger safety technician. Let's talk about what you can safely do about it if your child is pushing down their chest clip, unbuckling it, or generally trying to escape from their car seat. First things first, do not modify your car seat in any way. Don't add anything to the chest clip. Don't clip anything on the harness straps. No aftermarket products, no zip ties, no duct tape. Do not modify your car seat's harness. Unfortunately, there are tons of aftermarket products out there that claim to solve this problem, but they are not safe to use. If you add anything to the harness straps that clamps it or clips it or grips it with teeth or pierces into it, that can weaken and damage your harness straps, and they may not do their job correctly in a crash. And if you add anything to hold the chest clip shut, remember, during a crash, that chest clip often slides down the harness straps and may even come open. If that chest clip can't perform the way it was crash tested, your harness system may not perform correctly either. And friendly reminder that every single car seat manual prohibits modifying your seat or using parts and accessories that did not come with it. That is for your child's safety because those add-on products and parts have not been crash tested with it, and there are no safety standards for those add-on products to meet. Now, if you're over here like, okay, Emily, I get it. It's a safety issue. Don't modify the car seat. But what do I do about this? I'm not going to leave you hanging. Let's talk. Your first line of defense, I cannot emphasize this enough, is a fit and installation check with a child passenger safety technician. Many times we find something that needs to be corrected about the harness fit or the car seat's installation or use that makes the child more comfortable and reduces their motivation to try and escape. So get ready to screenshot. Here are 4 ways to find that fit and installation help from a CPST. Here are those 4 places to get qualified help from a certified CPST for a fit and installation check. Once you've ensured that the fit and installation is correct, if your child is still trying to escape, this is where you as the parent need to get curious. What is motivating your child to try and escape their seat? Did they drop a toy? Is a sibling bothering them? Are they just plain bored? What's going on with your child? When you get curious, you can often figure out what the root issue is that's motivating your child to try and escape their seat. And then you can address the root issue using whatever parenting style or structure works for your family. But do remember, the car seat is not going to do all of the parenting for you. You may need to figure out, hey, is my child bored? Do I need to provide some things to keep their hands busy? Do I need to rearrange who sits where so a sibling can't bother them? Do they simply need to be taught what the rules and expectations are for sitting in the car? It could be any number of things. Get curious and get creative. But limit that creativity to parenting, not seat modifications. Thank you. Finally, if you have a child who has a disability or delay or other special need that makes it difficult for them to understand that they need to stay buckled up, please get help from a CPST who has additional training in special needs and adaptive restraints. I don't have that extra training, but here's how to find a CPST who does. When you visit cert.safekids.org and click Find a Tech, select Safe Travel for All Children from the Extra Training drop-down menu. That's what denotes that CPST has that additional training. They can help you navigate your options for keeping your child riding safely. I hope that information helps somebody out today. Always read and follow your car seat's manual and get help from a CPST if you have questions.